Welcome to Dubai, a city where tradition meets luxury. If you're planning your first trip, stick around for the ultimate Dubai travel tips for first-time visitors. Let's make your journey unforgettable. Timing is everything when visiting Dubai. The best time to visit Dubai is between November and March. The weather is perfect for outdoor activities like desert safaris, strolling through the souks, or relaxing on Jumeirah Beach. Avoid the summer months. Trust me, the heat can be intense. For more details, check out the links in the description of this video. Packing for Dubai, keep it light and breezy. Cotton outfits and comfortable shoes are a must. Don't forget sunscreen, sunglasses, and a reusable water bottle. Hydration is key. Respect local customs by packing modest clothing for cultural spots like mosques. Need more tips? Check the description for links to guided tours and exciting activities. Getting around Dubai is easier than you think. Use the Dubai Metro for affordable and efficient travel across the city. Taxis are widely available and reasonably priced, but apps like Careem or Uber can be even more convenient. Pro tip: rent a car if you're planning to explore the outskirts, like the picturesque Hatta region. Dubai is full of iconic attractions you won't want to miss. Start with the Burj Khalifa book tickets in advance to enjoy breathtaking views. Explore the Dubai Marina for stunning waterfront scenery and incredible dining options. Dive into the culture by visiting the Gold Souk and Spice Souk, and end your day with the magical Dubai Fountain Show. Check the description for links to book these must-see experiences. Think Dubai is all luxury? Think again. Stay in budget-friendly hotels in areas like Deira or Al Barsha. Savor authentic street food at Al Diafa Road, and use public transport to save money. For discounted access to top attractions, look out for Dubai travel passes. Find booking links in the description to make your trip hassle-free. And that's a wrap on our Dubai travel tips for first-time visitors. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Drop a comment with your favorite Dubai spot, or let us know what you'd like to see next. See you in Dubai. And don't forget to check the links in the description for guided tours and things to do. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to stay updated with our latest travel videos.